Xiaomi has launched the Redmi S2 in China on Thursday, making it the first smartphone in the Redmi S-Series lineup. And here is everything you need to know about the Redmi S2. Before you go ahead, be sure to subscribe to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you're the first to know when we have a new video. Now talking about the Redmi S2, well, this is the first smartphone with a 16 megapixel selfie camera which has a pixel size of 2 microns. And Redmi says that the camera coupled with its AI beautification software makes it the best Redmi selfie camera phone till date. The phone has a dual camera setup at the back, an 18:9 display and an iPhone-like antenna design, and it is powered by the Snapdragon 625. The Xiaomi Redmi S2 is priced at 999 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 10,600 rupees for the 3GB RAM, 32GB storage option model, and it goes all the way up to 1,299 Chinese yuan for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage option, which is roughly 13,700 rupees. The phone will go on sale at 10 AM Chinese Standard Time on May 17th and will be available on sunning.com. The phone also comes in 3 color options, that is champagne gold, platinum silver and rose gold. Well, talking about specifications, the Redmi S2 is a dual SIM device and well, it runs on MIUI 9. At the front, the display is a 5.99-inch display with an 18:9 aspect ratio and it runs HD plus resolution. When you look at the internals, well, it has a Snapdragon 625 SoC and it comes coupled with a 3GB RAM option or 4GB depending on the model you pick. Talking about the cameras on the Xiaomi Redmi S2, well, it has a dual camera setup at the back which consists of a 12 megapixel primary sensor and a 5 megapixel secondary sensor. The company says that it has an f2.2 aperture, LED flash, AI portrait mode, HDR, face recognition and face detection autofocus. The front camera offers AI portrait mode, AI smart beauty, front HDR and face unlock using face recognition. The Redmi S2 is available in 2 internal storage variants, that is 32GB and 64GB, but you can expand storage using a microSD card up to 256GB. Well, the phone is a dual SIM device as we have said before. It has 4G and VoLTE, and talking about the battery, it has a 3080 mAh battery and it weighs 170 grams. Now availability in India is not known at the moment, but we will update you when we are informed. Thanks for watching. That's everything we know about the Xiaomi Redmi S2. What do you think about the device? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.